but it was artsy, which is kind of what I would expect with a voice so pretty. Like, yeah, you gotta be artsy. All right, today I'm checking out Okay Goodnight. I'm listening to the song The Fox and the Bird. Let's get into it. And we're gonna take that natural pause point, man. This song it's like for my focus, this is kryptonite to me. Because first of all, the music is very it's kind of vibey, almost. Would you call it jazzy? Maybe you know what I mean, almost to the jazzy or something like that. So it's very relaxing and vibey. And then you got the vocals. You know what I'm saying? You got this beautiful vocal style. A lot of the times it was like breathier vocal style, then we got higher pitched and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm focused on the vocals. I'm relaxing to the jazz and looking at the lyrics. I wouldn't even say I was reading the lyrics, honestly, and I was thinking about the animals and whatnot. I wouldn't even say I was reading them though. It's just too much. It's too much. This is kryptonite for my focus, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it my best effort to figure out what's going on with the fox and the bird. Probably just hanging out. Really, to me, the song's all about the vibe and the beauty, you know?
Don't let's whistle in the air. His wings grew thin. His spirit didn't care. A warm talk with words unspoken. Scorching sun and infatuated wind.
beautiful.
That was a beautiful song. I was focused up, and I still don't know, but I actually was focused this time. I was reading the lyrics and all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Something about the Reaper. Probably not the Grim Reaper. The Reaper is probably those animals they were showing. They showed the alligators and the snakes. The Reaper takes its prey, and shall we go to the other side? The world will only darken without candlelight. I got lyrics now. I was focused, but it was artsy, which is kind of what I would expect with a voice so pretty. Like, yeah, you got to be artsy. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to be vocals that pretty and stuff like that and then probably be like some super logical, lawyer-minded person and give me some straight up from point A to point B lyrics. No, it's going to be artistic. It's going to be poetic. It's going to be all that kind of stuff. So what I think is going on is the fox and the bird are thinking about going somewhere and they're afraid they may get eaten. I think the fox and the birds, I think they're friends. And that's what's going on. But it doesn't really matter. What matters is the vibe. The vibe of that song, you got the super beautiful vocals, and the music was just super relaxing and all that kind of stuff. And I think that's what the average person listening is walking away with. I don't think people are studying these lyrics, maybe a few people, but most people are not studying the lyrics. It's the vibe. I get this, okay? I get it, but I'm still curious.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.